So this is the bag that we got.
This is all we're eating.
This is the only thing they came for in Manila. Hey guys, I was not able to update you kahapon when I opened or unboxed this. So this is the bag that we got from Moina. I got the black and the bronze, I think. Copper bronze yata yung tawag dito. It's really nice, very practical size. It's a really beautiful tote bag. Tapos ano siya, very light lang din. Tapos waterproof naman or water resistant yung material niya. And there's this little detail right here. Pero kung ayaw mo to, pwede mo siya i-wear na baliktad. Kasya din yung laptop. So, perfect for work or for travel. And that's why ito din yung kinuha namin for the twins. Tapos kay Tita Gia din. Hindi po siya ganun ka-common, which I really like. And what else? Tita Gia got me these sandals. We got them from Melissa. Super cute. Tas pretty comfy din siya. So, ayan. We're wearing this gingham top. Tapos, yung trousers ko, these ones are from Uniqlo. And super comfy niya na linen trousers. We just had our breakfast buffet din kanina. The food here is pretty good sa Orchard Hotel. Our room is not as big, pero okay na din. Tapos maganda yung location, so it's okay. Anyways, I will update you guys later. We're gonna take lots and lots and lots of photos na naman. So I'm super excited.
What your regular heartland residential area, your residential neighborhood is like. So this is exactly what it's like even on the outskirts, outside of the city. So these are the government buildings, the government apartments that we're telling you about, the HDB flats. So these are the ones that are reserved for citizens. Okay, so they usually come with a little playground right smack in the middle. So the theory of having the playground in the middle is so that the mothers looking out the kitchens can keep an eye on the kids while they're preparing dinner.
Nice.
That's why you see they always look out. Yeah.
How big are these about? About 1,000
Sorry?
square feet, you said?
This one will anywhere between 800 up to about 1,000. So the new ones are a bit smaller. The old ones, like the ones that I live in, they are called the resale flats. Those are about 30 years old or so. Yeah, those will be a bit bigger. So yeah, so just a very quick explanation. Right? So this temple is called the Viraman Kalyaman Temple. If you want to catch the name, it's on the wall over there.
Okay.
Alright? So it's actually broken down into two parts. Courageous Mother Kali. Right? So this temple was actually built in the 1880s. But of course, when you look at it, you obviously know that it has been rebuilt and to keep up with the times as well. Right? So whenever you enter, okay, you always have the inner sanctum, the main deity right in the middle. Okay? And that would be the patron deity of this temple. Right? So usually on the outside, they have a bin in the corner over there. You see the metal bin next to the hose. Alright? That's if you look inside, you'll have little coconut shells. So before they go in, the devotees will smash the coconut. Okay? So the coconut represents the human head. It represents the human head. It's got hair, the skull and everything. So smashing it represents approaching with an open mind. So it's kind of like an act of humility to admit that, you know, we don't have all the answers. We don't know everything. We come with an open mind. Yeah, historically, this was actually the home of a Chinese merchant. So you're actually standing on what used to be a road, open to vehicular traffic, and this merchant actually made a lot of money from the confectionery business. So he used to sell sweets. Yeah. So this also tells you how Little India has always been very culturally and ethnically open as well. even the Chinese were living here in the heart of Little India.
Hey guys, we're currently in Little India right now. So, nag-iikot-ikot lang kami looking at different buildings and popular areas. Ito daw, this is a house of a Chinese merchant who used to sell sweets. And naging popular siya kasi colorful yung bahay niya. And it's become an Instagram spot. Guys, so our next stop is actually Chimes Hall. So this was where they shot the wedding scene for Crazy Rich Asians. Hi! We're gonna take photos lang. It's an event place na pala. Ayan no, pero bawal ka na pumasok unless you have an event or you're going to book something. But yeah, it's really pretty. Ayan no. Guys, next stop, we're going in the National Gallery of Singapore.
Mountbatten. This is him giving his speech after accepting the surrender of the Japanese Imperial Army. Alright, so this was on the 12th of September 19.
Ballet dancer yarn.
The view.
Guys, we're on top of the National Gallery. Look at this view. It is so pretty. You get to see everything. This one though is part of the F1 racetrack as well.
So then they had to kind of rebuild or redesign the track a little bit to help to keep the cars on. But otherwise,
This is called the Singapore Sling.
for the Formula One.
Ah.
너랑 나는 운명 너를 보고 싶어 꿈에 다시 와줘
Guys, so this is the place where
That's okay, that's what I did too.
this is the part where she returned the ring, right? Or something.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
It's a Crazy Rich Asians, guys. Yeah. Hey guys, we are now at the Jubilee Bridge, I think. I'm not sure if I'm correct, but look at that view over there. Sobrang nice. So if you guys want to take photos from far away, ayan siya. And then we are on the way to the Merlion, which is there. Ayan. So magkakalapit lang lahat ng spots na pinuntahan namin. So it's good for like a day tour if you want like 3 or 4 hours lang. Pagod na ako, sobrang init. Pero it's really beautiful. Ang tagal ko na din hindi nakapunta sa Singapore, so it's refreshing to be back and like to take photos again and see the whole thing. It's just really, really nice. Guys, we are at Lululemon and the girls got me a fanny pack that's trending daw in the States. So, ubos na daw. It's not this one eh. I'll show you guys later. Pero, sold out daw talaga siya sa States. So, we were able to find it here instead. Hi loves, we are having lunch at the food court here in, ano ba today?
Marina Bay Sands.
Okay, we're at Marina Bay Sands now, and we're getting the kaya toasted, and then their iced coffee, and some dim sum. We got their radish cake, a pastry, na parang may pork asado inside, and then some dumplings as well. Yum! This is really, really good. Super excited. Hey guys, so after namin kumain, we are now at the Sky Park area. So we wanna go up to Marina Bay Sands. It's the popular part that you guys always see, yung mukhang boat. So yung adults, sila mami, nakapunta na sila. So mag-shopping na lang daw sila. Pero kami, we've never been, so we're all going up. We're gonna take 3 million pictures.
Yes.
And post 2.
Yes.
Thank you. Welcome.
Hey guys, we're ordering coffee from Batcha Coffee kasi nga this one is a pretty popular spot here. Ayan, medyo mahaba yung line inside. I have been seeing a lot of people with their paper bags kasi madami talagang bumibili. So, we're gonna try it out. Hey you guys, so it comes in the form of just black coffee na may ice. Tapos, there's cream that you add to it. Ito. And then there's also the sugar stick. Cool.
Parang pare-pareho lang naman yung cream.
Pareho lang cream. Same lang. Bakit? Ano ba dapat?
So it's the coffee that's...
Yeah, the beans are different. Syempre.
Can you smell? Is it the same?
Parang that's a bit more...
Darker?
Yeah, parang hindi naman sour, but
Acidic.
parang ganun yung... Mine is a bit sweeter, I think. Right?
Parang it's lighter.
So I mix this. So do we put everything? Maybe, no?
Yeah.
Black coffee itself. Ayan, I'll try to...
Guys, kasi cold yung coffee namin, hindi nagme-melt yung sugar stick. So, the coffee is not sweet. But, okay lang. It's light and kind of refreshing, but it's not like your usual flavored coffee na matamis. Ganun. Hi loves, we left the mall and we are now at Lau Pasat. And it is a popular food spot or parang hawker center. So, ang daming choices. Pero outdoor siya. May malalaking fans naman. But of course, it's not as cold. But, masarap daw. So, we shall look around. There's a lot of options. There's Turkish, Indian, Chinese. So, ayan. We're all just looking for what we want to have for dinner. They have lemon chicken. They have roti, chicken set meal, chicken biryani. They have noodles, Korean cuisine. They have Filipino cuisine. Lots and lots and lots of choices. They have sisig, lechon kawali, bulalo. Guys, so I got the buttered chicken and the rice, tapos enoki mushroom, and their iced lemon tea. And Kimby's done eating. They had the barbecue beef or something.
Barbecue beef and kimchi.
Was it good?
It was so good.
Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Clarke. And sasakay kami ng cruise. Actually, parang mini boat lang siya. Hindi naman siya like cruise talaga na ship.
It's not Tom. It's not
Raver.
Sunshine.
It's a raver.
Yeah. Singapore River Cruise.
Ang funny ng mga kasama ko. Sobra.
Singapore River Cruise.
This is what we're riding, you guys.
With such a vivid history, it's certainly no wonder the building was named a national monument in 1998.
너랑 나는 운명 너를 보고 싶어 꿈에 다시 와줘 나는 나의 운명 yeah. 꿈에 다시 와줘 Girl, you're my energy use me up like a battery
This way, promise you can, for 1 hour. Bye! Thank you!
Guys, so that's how you make the Singapore sling, which we all ordered. We're at the Raffles Hotel, and we're all just drinking to cap the night. And then guys, yung peanuts, you can throw it on the floor like that.
Hoping you'll love me once again. I know I'm selfish a little bit, and you call
Hi loves. So, kanina we tried out the Singapore sling, and actually yung tinry ko was the one without alcohol. So masarap siya, super refreshing. And then now we still wanted dessert, so maghahagendas kami. We are having ice cream from our hotel. We walked lang. It's probably like a 5 to 10 minute walk.
Macadamia nut burrito? Oh, ito yung macadamia nut burrito. Oh, yung sa burrito. Ah, gusto yung burrito. Ako ganyan ang macadamia. Ano, 1 scoop, 2 scoops? It's up to you.
I'm trying out the caramel biscuit and cream. It's the same thing that your dad is getting.
Biscuit?
Thank you.
Welcome. Next.
Hey guys, so it is our last day here in Singapore. Tonight na yung flight namin. So what we have planned today is just shopping. As in, yun lang yung gagawin namin today. Wala na kaming mga tour or anything. So the twins are looking for clothes kasi may trip pa sila after ng Manila. So naghahanap sila ng mga dress.
hoping you'll love me once again. I know I'm selfish a little bit, and you call
Yeah, you should pay that money.
just come back and let he's not all that you wished for. Yeah, it's pretty clear to me.
Hey, Money. Hey guys, for lunch, sila Dylan wanted Five Guys. So, here we are. Dito kami magla-lunch and then we're gonna go shopping after. Actually, nakabili na sila ng stuff kasi naghanap sila ng clothes. But, yeah, maghanap pa kami ng other stuff mamaya. So, we got the Cajun fries. Money, are these like really popular? I wouldn't know. They're pretty good?
Popular. I mean, whenever I go to Five Guys, I get them.
And then I got the cheeseburger lang. Where's yours? Oh,
I got the same as you.
cheeseburger. And then then Pia got the little cheeseburger that's not
That's
little at all.
pretty the same size.
Wow. Okay.
I wanna turn my phone off, but that's where all my friends are. What do I do? Why is it so hard to find someone new so far away? All the days that I used to have someone right beside me, now I can find in my phone screen. It's tiring, just wanna feel something.
Guys, so ito yung gusto kong shoes pero wala sila ng size ko, sadly. But Kimmy got some, so and Mani has them.
No, that's
so
okay.
Matchy, it's so nice.
Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened.
Guys, so kakaland lang namin sa Manila and they wanted to try Jollibee. This is the only time that we have na makakain kami sa Jollibee kasi tomorrow busy na and then they're leaving the next day and it's like 12:40. It's like 12 something na kasi. So naghanap kami ng Jollibee. Yung alam namin open to 24 hours but hindi ko alam bakit ngayon sarado siya. So malungkot. Sana may mahanap kaming bukas. So excited. Money's excited for Jollibee. Chicken and spaghetti?
Yeah, chicken and spaghetti.
Chicken and spaghetti.
This is all we're eating.
This is the only thing they came for in Manila. Kimby's trying out the spaghetti. I don't know if you like it.
Alright, we'll
It's
find
sweet
out.
spaghetti. You like it?
No, I like it too.
Try the hot dog. There's a hot dog there.
Very good.
How do you like it? Good, good.
Thank you. Very good.
You like it? For real, for real?